150 bucks. Let's see. Let's see.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I'm gonna come around, is that alright?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
We needed it about 147 already.
You did a 147?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 4 MVX 12s on, oh, sorry about that.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, yeah. It's 4 MVX 12s on 2 SEV 2000 Sundowns. No strap and 1 ohm.
Alright.
Probably pushing about 5K.
So you said strapped at 1 ohm, so half ohm per?
Yeah.
Okay.
Half amp per. Like I said, did a 147.
Okay.
It's pretty clean.
Nice.
Let me see. AC works now.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yes.
Alright.
It's 7.3 cubes. This is tweed. I threw it on there. Built
I like it,
Built it
dude.
in 2 days.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Built it 2 days this week.
What is it tuned to?
It's tuned at 33 hertz, but it peaks around about 40, 42-ish. Has a real good low end.
Yeah.
I'll give you a couple of signs that we'll play.
Sure.
This one's at 40
Okay.
and 33.
Alright.
So
Looks good.
He's gonna have a candlelight. 100 Remy bottles at the candlelight. Baby mama's crying at the candlelight. Midnight, 3 to the dome at the stop sign. Or we could go midnight, rewind. It's all over a bitch when it's said and done with me. It's gonna be a candlelight. It's gonna have a candlelight.
I'll show you at around 20 something.
Okay. Is there a way I can get flex with the subs?
Yeah, go ahead, Ben.
Awesome. Yeah, that'd be great. That looks so cool. Oh yeah, I like it. What are these? 1,000 WRMS sub?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, 150 bucks.
Nice.
You can't
Heck yeah,
beat it.
man.
You can't beat it, right?
Oh man.
150 bucks. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah? Please rule with my wife.
awesome, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo.
Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Anytime.
What was your name?
Brian Armstrong.
Brian Armstrong. All right, Jacob. Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah. It flexes pretty good, so it's only on that 1 amp. I mean, those two strap.
Yeah.
Do you know how much you're clamping?
It's around 2600.
2600.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. So
Yeah,
the subs don't even get full power.
It's good efficiency there.
Yeah, that's right. That's
You know,
awesome.
If I got them to full power, I think I got a 6500 at the house, or the Sundown 6000 at the house,
Okay.
and 2 X15s. That's
Yeah.
what I want to put in here, but
Yeah.
you know I had to be ready for the show.
That's right. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.